Well, I think Nimes is quite cool. Live band playing here.
We're not going to wait. In the sunshine when you go, she's only gone too long. Anytime she's gone away.
Yeah, it's funny. A person yesterday say that Nimes wasn't very nice, but what I've seen of it so far, it's pretty good. And the star of the show, some good albums there, but going up in price these days, 15 to 40 euros.
Elle a refusé. Et après, elle est revenue avec des lettres d'amour.
It's like the Colosseum in Rome. So a bit of bullfighting goes on in there by the looks of it. 22nd, 29th of August. Well, I think this is quite a pleasant city. So don't listen to what other people say when you want to go visit somewhere. Go and look for yourself. Have a coffee wash down my Indian food. I'm off the beer at the moment. God, drunk beer every day for about a month when I was in Onda, I think, which was really, really great. So nearly back home. So back at my hotel, we'll go upstairs and have a look at the roof terrace. Morning guys and girls. So I'm in the city of Nimes in France, and I am heading up towards Geneva in Switzerland, and stopping at a random town called Roman-sur-Izere. but about just over 3 hours it's telling me, but I'm going to stop in Avignon on the way, so I'll stop there for some brunch, and it's about an hour away. So starting to get warm. It's going to be about 34 today, I think, but can't complain. Beautiful day. Well, there we go. I'm in the middle of Avignon, some bike parking, and I did mark a boulangerie on here, which I think is up this road. I'm just seeing if I'm walking the right direction. Yeah, this is the one I saw online, patisserie, La Troppers again. There's no seating, but they've got some nice food. So I had my lunch in Avignon, baguette and a coffee. Yeah, a few tour groups and that here. So we'll continue. Stop and get a nice cold drink. I'm just about melting out here. Bonjour. Welcome back, guys, and welcome back to France, to a town called Roman-sur-Izere. Roman-sur-Izere, which has the River Rhone going through it. And yeah, I'm in this little town, quite a quaint little town, which is costing, it's quite dear, €47.09, about the cheapest I could get. But I needed to get a private room because I had some banking to do, so I didn't want to use the unsecure Wi-Fi in a hostel with everyone else in there in case someone taps in and does mean things. So I wanted to have my own internet so I could sort that out. So that's why I've done it. But it's a nice little unit. Very nicely done. Nice bathroom. But what a mission yesterday, trying to get in, because it's a private host and he obviously forgot to send me the key code instructions to get in. And I was checking my emails all yesterday morning up until 10 AM before I left. Still hadn't had any key codes come in, and then so I thought, oh, he'll sort that out before I get here. And I arrive here, I've got no internet on my phone, and he still hasn't sent anything, and everything's closed in the afternoons here. And but I managed to, there's the campus connects Roman, so bit of a university campus there, and lucky that was open, and the lovely girl in there, she let me get on the internet and she helped me. So, and I messaged the host and he did reply straight away actually, but it took about an hour of not really stress, but just a pain in the ass, isn't it? But yeah, and I parked right outside. There's my bike, which I'm not supposed to because it's yeah, no vehicles in the old part of town here. And I said, oh, and I've got a big festival on today, a fete with lots of music, and the police are putting up barriers last night and that, so I'll be getting away fairly early this morning so I don't get trapped inside here. I'll get my bike towed, but I've padlocked it to the iron railing. They can't take my bike.